Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the BSc Sem 2 statistics. Okay, before watching this video, like and subscribe my channel. And coming to the topic, I have mentioned the important long questions, important short questions and important sums also in this video. According to the unit wise, you have 5 units. Okay, so coming to the unit 1, important long questions, derive the binomial distribution and discuss its properties. Explain the Poisson distribution and derive its mean and variance. Third one is the explain uniform and Bernoulli distributions with applications. Fourth one is prove the Poisson approximation to the binomial distribution. These are the very important long questions. Okay, these are gunshot questions. Next, coming through the important short questions. First one is Bernoulli distribution. Second one is uniform distribution. Third one binomial distribution. Next is Poisson distribution. Next mean and variance. After that MGF, PGF and CGF, mode and median, and real life applications. Okay, these are long questions and short questions. Now going through the sums, you'll get the sums in the topic of this scenario: binomial probability problems, mean and variance of binomial distribution, Poisson probability problems, Poisson approximation to binomial, Bernoulli distribution problems. Okay, these are very important and gunshot questions. Prepare for this only. Now coming to the unit 2, here also I have mentioned important long questions, short questions and sums also. First we'll go to long questions. Explain the geometric distribution and prove its lack of memory property. Second one is derive the negative binomial distribution. Third one is explain the hypergeometric distribution with mean and variance. Fourth one is explain binomial approximation to hypergeometric distribution. These four questions are very important from long questions aside. Okay, now coming to the short questions: geometric distribution, negative binomial distribution, hypergeometric distribution, lack of memory property, MGF and PGF. Here first you conclude the long questions and after go to the short questions. Now coming through the important sums: geometric distribution problems, negative binomial probability problems, hypergeometric probability problems, mean and variance calculations. See, in every year we doesn't get the same sums scenario, so please practice this methods for better preparation. Okay, you have the time also. Now coming to the unit 3, continuous distributions 1. Here also I am mentioning the important long questions, important short questions, important sums. Explain the normal distribution and its properties. Derive the normal distribution as a limiting case of binomial distribution. Explain applications of the normal distribution. Okay, these three long questions are very important. Now going through the short questions: standard normal distribution, properties of normal curve, MGF, moments, limiting distribution. Okay, now coming to the important sum scenario: standard normal, that is Z table problems, normal probability calculations, mean and variance calculations. Okay, now coming through the unit 4, continuous distributions 2. Here also I have mentioned long, short and important sums questions also. Explain the exponential distribution and its properties. Derive the gamma distribution. Third one, explain rectangular uniform distribution. Fourth one, explain beta distributions of first and second kinds. Now coming to the short questions: exponential distribution, gamma distribution, rectangular distribution, beta distribution and mean and variance. Okay, next important sums: exponential distribution problems, gamma distribution calculations, beta distribution mean and variance, uniform distribution problems. Okay, now going through the unit 5, limit theorems. Here also I have mentioned important long questions, short questions and sums also. State and explain the weak law of large numbers. Next, explain the central limit theorem with applications. Third one, discuss the importance of limit theorems in statistics. Coming to the short questions: weak law of large numbers. Next, central limit theorem. Next, random variables. After that, sampling distribution applications of CLT. Here important sums are central limit theorem, numerical problems, normal approximation problems, probability using CLT. Okay. Here I have mentioned the most expected gunshot long questions also. Prepare for this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.